got some old school on you. What size are those?
24s.
Okay, what's up, man?
What's up?
Doing good?
Coleman, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, all right. You checking me on my pictures the other night. I didn't know.
It's all good. You didn't even know. When people come to the group, they don't think to look and see what the rules are.
Yeah, I didn't.
We got some kids in there, so we try and keep it friendly for the kids. You know. Some more cars will come. There's supposed to be a classic show up by my way, up by Street Side Classics after this is over.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Classic, all old school classic cars. I just noticed the helmet in the door. That's the first time I've noticed that.
I didn't mean to do that.
I like this little BMW.
Yeah, that's a guy.
It's nice.
Guy sitting up there in the white shirt. Rims are clean.
Got the same kickers you used to have. So those are 12s.
Yeah. Yep. Hey, you still remember those, huh?
That's,
Best Buy.
you were doing
straight off the shelf.
You were doing your best to get him to sound good.
Yeah, I was trying to stay out of trouble, man, but you got me in trouble.
That's a big. What usually goes right here?
What's that?
What usually goes in that hole right there?
He took out a bunch of stuff. He stripped down the engine. I don't know. He took something out. I could go look at mine and see what's there, but you see the bolts? He took something out.
Huh.
I know I have this as an engine heater. I need to replace mine.
Interesting.